Good day everyone, my name is Rainianti binti Rahman and my metric number is 264832. So today I'm going to present my poster that titled Undergraduate Students' Perception Towards Food Waste. First of all, the abstract. In urgent need of a solution to solve it, the growing amount of food waste is viewed as a challenge. In this research, the relationship between undergraduate students in university and their food waste behavior is assessed. The variables that involved in this study are subjective norm, attitude, perceived behavioral control, emotion, and habits. By using the survey method, a set of questionnaire was distributed to 400 users. In this study, there is a significant relationship between the variables mentioned with the undergraduate students' perception towards food waste. This study contributed to the university level and users in order to increase awareness about the food waste. So, the introduction. Food waste is food that is not consumed. Food waste means the loss of essential and scarce resources such as water, soil, and electricity, causing economic inefficiencies and having a negative effect on the environment. Throughout the food system, during production, processing, delivery, retail, and use, the causes of food waste or loss are numerous and occur. Global food loss and waste amount to between 1/3 and 1/2 of all food produced. As you can see in figure 1, the percentage of waste composition in Malaysia, you can see the highest percentage that is the 44.5% is from the food waste compared to the others. Next, the problem statement. There are many effects from food waste when the landfills, that is known as the disposal sites, is filled with the trash. The effects are increase in the release of methane gas, air pollution, leachate formation that will affect the green water quality, and the landfills will be clogged. This study is to study the perceptions of UUM students towards food waste. This study will fill the gap in the literature and examines the knowledge, awareness, and concerns of undergraduate students about food waste. It will identify the groups of individuals with similar attitudes and perceptions about food waste, which are factors that affect food waste behavior. This research also aims to aware the undergraduate students about their lack of awareness. Next is the research questions. So there are two research questions. That is the first. Is there any relationship between undergraduate students' subjective norms, attitude, perceived behavioral control, emotions, and habits, perception towards food waste? And second, what is the significant predictors towards undergraduate students' perception to food waste? The objective also have two. The first, to determine the significant relationship between undergraduate student subjective norm, attitude, perceived behavioral control, emotion, and habits perception towards food waste. Second, to develop a statistical model on undergraduate students' perception towards food waste. The scope of the study is to create a statistical model for the undergraduate students' perception towards food waste. The study will investigate the undergraduate students' subjective norm, attitude, perceived behavioral control, emotion, and habits perception towards food waste based on the data that will be collected among the undergraduate students. The significance of the study is important to predict the potential model about the perception towards food waste among the undergraduate students. This study can help to identify the factors which affect the issues among the undergraduate students and will create the awareness of how much food they had wasted when they see how many of them actually did not take this issue as a serious case. This will lead to the reductions of food waste. As you can see in the figure 2, the conceptual model of theory of plant behavior. Next, the methodology. There are 8 steps involved to achieve the two objectives mentioned earlier. First of all, we need to construct the questionnaire, and then using random sampling method. Then the next step is key in data in Excel, then cleaning the data if needed, if there is the missing data, like that. Next, the descriptive analysis for the demographic variables. Then the next step is to perform chi-square test and correlation analysis to achieve the two objectives. As you can see in the figure 3, the flowchart of this experiment. So the expected finding from this research is there is a significant relationship between undergraduate students with subjective norm, attitude, PBC, which is the perceived behavioral control, emotions, and habits. The expected finding for the objective 2 is a statistical model on undergraduate students' perception towards food waste can be developed. So the conclusion is that first, habits, emotions, subjective norms, perceived behavioral control, and intentions all have an important role to play in determining food waste behavior. Second, reducing food waste is a major global challenge that will continue into the future. Third, the current research provides valuable insights about the factors that are important to target in order to reduce food waste at the university level. And the fourth, this information can be used to inform practitioners and may assist in future efforts to reduce food waste by undergraduate students. So I just want to say thank you to my supervisor, Dr. Saadi bin Kamaruddin, for the guidance to me to finish this study. So that's all from me. I hope you can get the message. Thank you.